What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Morning Crypto. This is a channel all about technical analysis and price predictions. And today we'll be talking about VECHAIN. I did an update about this, I'd say about almost a month ago. And now I just wanted to update you guys on where VECHAIN is going. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're looking at the 1 weekly time frame here for VECHAIN. And what I like to do here is draw out my Fibonacci retracement and also draw out my support and resistance level. So let's go ahead and do the support and resistance level first. So let's see here. So we got the tipping point, right? I usually like to switch my candles to line chart so I have like an easier time to draw out my support and resistance level. Okay, I think that should be good. Don't want to take too much time on it. It should be quick, okay? Now I want to draw out my Fibonacci retracement from a higher low to a higher high. So I draw that out. Boom. All right, so this is just reminding you guys this is on the weekly time frame, okay? Now let's go ahead and zoom in on the daily time frame here. And you can see that the Fibonacci is pretty solid. And the reason I'm saying that is the 0.786 level is good because we see a lot of retracement here. 1, 2, false breakout, right? So it's pretty solid for the Fibonacci retracement on the weekly time frame. And what I did notice on the weekly time frame is actually we see a actual trend here. Let me go ahead and draw this trend line so you guys know what I'm looking at. So we see this little trend line here. Okay, so there's that, and there's this one too. Okay, now we go ahead and zoom back in here so we know what we're looking at. Oh, where's it so slow? Okay. All right, cool. So we see a slowly a progression of the market going up, which is a good sign. Okay. Now I'm trying to spot out where the stopping point is here. So this hit the 0.382 level. This hit the 0.5 level. So this actually might just come all the way down to the 0.618 level before shooting back up, which is where this trend line that I created here. Okay, so we might be able to see it hit at this low right here before we see a price move up. Okay. Yeah, because usually when it breaks through a Fibonacci retracement, like the 0.5 level, like it shows right here. This is on the weekly, okay? This is the Fibonacci is on the weekly, okay? So once it breaks through it, then of course it has to go to the 0.618 level. And if it breaks through that, it would go all the way down to the 0.786 level. And I don't think it would ever drop that low. I mean, it did drop all the way that low back in July, but I don't think it would do it again. Okay, so I think this is a good stopping point for VECHAIN, and then we'll be able to see an upside. So let me go ahead to the 4-hour time frame here. So yes, I think it will hit the 0.618 level just because we're gonna see this moving average cross here, the blue and the green. And let me tell you about the blue and the green. Okay, so there's a 200 moving average, which is the blue. The green is the 50. Okay, and there's this thing for investors out there, I'm sure you guys heard of it. It's called the golden circle. And the golden circle is usually what banks use, very professional traders use, investors use. That when the golden circle forms, it indicates of how long the trend is going to be. So hopefully when this crosses, hopefully it's not a long trend, because let me show you guys a good example of a golden circle. this right here is a good example. So the blue and the green cross, right? Look at this uptrend. It just kept going, right? For a while, too. For a while. And it happened here, went down a bit. So I'm hoping it doesn't take that long, because it started to reverse right after. So we might be able to see an exact same pattern here. It might just go down just a little bit or just enough for it to go back up, okay? So I'm pretty sure that this is a confirm a downtrend to this trend level and where the 0.618 level is, okay? So let me draw it out. So we're going to see it come down here, and then from there we'll potentially hopefully see an upside to that, okay? And that's pretty much it. I don't want to go any further just because that's the confirmation that we're gonna wait for. So the market's gonna go down even further, and it's gonna go down to the 0.618. That's what I'm thinking, and that's where the blue in the 1 daily time frame. That's where the blue moving average it is. Blue moving average is, and usually it counts. The moving average counts as a support level, and is literally hanging around where the blue or the red circle is. So I think it's gonna go there. It's gonna retest and hopefully bounce back up, and then it's gotta break through this resistance level. And once it does, retest, and then potentially go back up. Okay, on whatever this trend line is. Okay. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate your guys' support. And if there's any other coin that you guys want me to do, feel free to let me know. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.